A recliner bed with massager. How does that sound? Let me show that to you. People used to ask me, all your design ideas are fantastic. What's your secret behind staying creative all the time? Most creative people require most productive hours, and most productive hours come from a peace of mind. I have found an amazing solution for my peace with the Slip Company. Before I suggest something to my clients, I experiment and check it personally. In a very similar scenario, I was searching for bed for my client and found the solution for myself. I ordered Smart Adjustable Recliner Bed from the Slip Company website and it got delivered in 3 days. The installation took few hours and I'm having an amazing time since then. This bed is having several smart features just at your fingertips. Zero gravity position, which is proven by NASA scientists, where your heart and knees come at the same height, due to which the blood circulation and breathability become better, health issues get fixed, and snoring problems are being resolved. It stops tossing and turning, which improves the sleep quality. A TV mode to get a theater-like experience without causing a back pain. And the most important, an inbuilt massager. You can have a 10-minute spa session to relieve all the stress of the day. They also shared the smart grid material used in mattress, which is really good. This adjustable bed is compatible with all kind of mattresses. The Slip Company is having the Republic Day sale live now, where you can get up to 45% off. Check out their website and sleep well with the Slip Company.